Hey guys, Shay here from Metra Electronics. Today I'm here to talk to you about the JP-TSH2 turn signal trigger harnesses for your 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. Now, why do you need these harnesses? Well, are you installing any of our Heise Jeep lighting into your Jeep? Maybe some RGB headlights, fog lights, or an underglow kit? That Heise RGB controller needs to tap into your turn signal lights. And there's no easier way to make that happen than with these harnesses. Now, there's two harnesses in the bag, a driver's side harness and a passenger side harness. Both harnesses offer triggers to the parking lights, turn signal, and daytime running lights. And using our easy to follow instructions, you will see that they easily connect into factory lighting harnesses with OEM connectors, so there's no need to cut or splice any wiring. So when you're looking to make that purchase for those new headlights, like the JP-702 RGB, make sure you grab the JP-TSH2 to make the installation that much easier. So go check out this product and our other Jeep products on our website at metraonline.com.